channel. We are the Vegas Twins, and here we discuss all things Las Vegas. So let me ask you this. What do Las Vegas and Costco have in common? Either place you go out for a gallon of milk and end up spending $300. Okay, that was bad. But let's get into some places you'll hear some actually funny jokes. But before we do that, don't forget to comment below and hit the like and subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we will only be discussing traditional comedy clubs with stand-ups. We will not be discussing other comedy shows you may see in Vegas. We'll certainly do a video on those at a later date. First off is the Jimmy Kimmel Comedy Club, located in the Lake Promenade. Tickets start at just $20. Here you will see big headline acts as well as up-and-comers that very well may be the next big headline act themselves. Jimmy Kimmel, who is from Las Vegas, helped to design the place to have a distinct Las Vegas feel. Shows start in the afternoon and go into the evening. They are open every day but Wednesday. You can find a link in the description below for the schedule. Another big-name comedian with a club in Las Vegas is Brad Garrett. His club is located in the MGM Grand. Brad Garrett himself is oftentimes the feature act here, but you can also catch other features as well. The show schedule may vary, so you may want to check the link below for show times. Tickets start at $59.95. Also, on Fridays and Saturdays, they have started to offer live jazz music in their lounge starting at 5:30. Okay, another club on our list you may want to visit soon is the Laugh Factory in the Tropicana. This place may not be around much longer with the recent news, but it is still a great place for a laugh. They offer two shows nightly, one starting at 8:30 and the other at 10:30. Tickets usually start at $54. When you're in here, it does have the feel of a traditional comedy club. Next, we head center strip to the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino for the Las Vegas Live Comedy Club. Conveniently located inside the Miracle Mile shops, comedians travel all the way from New York, Chicago, Boston, LA, and even come from Las Vegas, including featured headliner Edwin San Juan. Tickets start at $49.99 and shows run nightly at 9 p.m. See the description below to see which comedian is headlining the night of your show. Moving to the north end of the strip, we have the l.a.comedy Club, located at the Strat, featuring nationally touring comedians who usually have appeared on network or cable TV. You are sure to have a good time. Ticket prices vary, but usually start between $25 to $31. Current show times are 6 p.m., 8 p.m., and 10 p.m., but check the schedule below for more information. Okay, now getting away from the strip, we have the Comedy Cellar at the Rio. This is an American-style comedy club. As is expected in Vegas, many of their featured performers have also appeared on network or cable TV. They run two shows nightly, one at 7 p.m. and the other at 9:30. Tickets start at $24. Check the description below to see who is performing the night you are in town. Moving downtown, we have the Delirious Comedy Club at Downtown Grand. They run three shows nightly, Thursday through Sunday. The first show is at 6 p.m. called House of Magic, a more family-friendly show. After that, they have more traditional stand-up at 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Tickets usually start at $39.95. And as always, check the description below for the schedule. Lastly, we have Wise Guys Comedy Club located in the Arts District of Las Vegas. They have shows most nights, but on occasion they have an off night, so you may want to check the schedule below. Tuesday and Wednesday are open mic nights here, so if you want to try your own luck at comedy, this is your place. Shows start at 7:30, and ticket prices can vary, with open mic night prices being less than nights with a featured performer. Please see the description below again for prices on the particular night you are going. Okay, well that about wraps up our video on Las Vegas comedy clubs. We hope you have a good laugh out on the town while you're enjoying one of these clubs. As always, feel free to comment below, hit that like and subscribe button, and have a wonderful day.